So I guess we could talk about the fact that some gym environments are better for specific people. So if you're thinking about different gym environments, let's say Planet Fitness, for example. Planet Fitness is an excellent gym for somebody who's a beginner, maybe somebody who's very overweight, maybe somebody who's just not as comfortable with the stereotypical gym scene of a normal commercial gym, and especially like a strength and conditioning gym. So knowing that, you can really define what gym you want to go to based off of your specific preferences and goals. So if you are somebody who, let's say for example, is, I just use the overweight individual for example, and you're like, I'm just not comfortable to go to one of those commercial gyms yet. Maybe someday I will, but right now I'm just not. So a starting point could be, maybe you're just gonna get some dumbbells and start doing workouts at home, right? I have a lot of great home workout videos you can look at my channel as well. Just do some digging, you can type in All Strong Fitness workouts and they'd show up. But ultimately that could be the starting point. And then from there, maybe they're like, okay, I wanna go to Planet Fitness now. And once you go to Planet Fitness, then you start building some confidence and you realize like, okay, I can do this. I'm losing a little bit of weight, I'm feeling more confident. And then from there, you can jump to hopefully one day to maybe that commercial gym. And maybe you get to a point where you're actually training at a like strength and conditioning gym or like a weightlifting gym or a powerlifting gym or these very high level gyms. Maybe you're not in that position today and that's okay. Maybe you'll never be and that's okay too. But it's really about finding a gym that makes you feel at home, finding something that empowers you to work out, and ultimately that you enjoy for yourself.